Hey everybody, and welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Happy Monday to you guys. Today we're going to be focusing on writing with pop-out words. So you guys might remember those. We've talked about them a couple of times already. So one of the reasons why we're focusing on pop-out words is because it's really easy to draw your reader's eye when you use those pop-out words. It's exciting. We want to use pop-out words with important words, also important ideas. How can you do it in your own writing? First, you've got to find the most exciting part of your story. So I've been working on this one. I'm going to read you some of the part that comes before the page you see on the screen right now. Once I went camping on an island with Mr. Ben. That's my husband. We were the only ones there. We walked around the entire island, but it was so tiny, it didn't take very long. When we got back to our tent, I saw something in the water. I went over to get a closer look. I thought it was a garbage bag and I wanted to pick it up. As I leaned in to pick it up, I realized it was actually a giant squid, and it reached up and grabbed me with its tentacles. You know, guys, right there, I know this is the most exciting part of my story. So I'm going to take a look. And I kind of think I have this but ... I kind of think the part where it says it was a huge squid. It's kind of that. Those feel like the most exciting and important words to me. And I actually think huge squid is the most important. So I'm going to go ahead and bold that. You can see what it looks like after it's bolded. Then my reader's eyes are drawn right to that word, huge squid. And it really emphasizes how exciting and, honestly, guys, completely terrifying that moment was. So today when you are writing, I want you to try and find one part in your story where you can include pop-out words. Don't forget to add some details while you're at it. You could be working on telling your story step by step, talking about how you feel, and what did you see. But most importantly, guys, try those pop-out words today. I feel like we all have amazing stories in our life that are just waiting to be told, and I can't wait to hear more about yours. Thanks so much. Have a great time writing.